Om Sai Ram to all you Baba lovers out there. How you all have been doing, and I know how you all love reading my Baba messages, my channel messages. So today I was just sitting and I was trying to, see how my journey has been with him, and from where to where I have, come a long way. And most of you all know that how my path has been, and I have never hesitated from telling the world that even a healer can have troubles in life, and only then it makes her a stronger person. A person who is already strong and who already has no troubles in life does not need to only be a healer. Yes, they can also be healers, but people who have faced, and believe me when I say people who have faced, Baba loves in testing people. Baba loves in, you know seeing how much faith they have, and do they really follow Shraddha Saburi when it comes in his case, and do they really have that undeterred faith wherein the person knows that Baba is there. In my case, I want to share one story with you all. It was many years back. I don't even recall, it should be 2009 or 2010 if I'm not wrong. There was a stage where I was also beginning my another chapter of my life, and a lot of things were changing around, a lot of ups and downs were happening. And there was a time where it was 1 day or 2 days where I had not had food, and I didn't know what to do, and I was just wondering what shall I do and how much water can I drink. So I sit there, and I sit there in front of my Baba, because there's this one statue which I've been having, Baba statue, since ages. And then I tell Baba, I don't know, all I want is, a little bit of food, but I know somehow you will do the arrangements. You will definitely see to it that, I am fed today. I know I should have come yesterday itself to you, but even today I am not coming and complaining to you that I don't have food, but I'm just coming and telling you, as your daughter, as your child, as your friend, whomever, because for me, my Baba is my everything. He's my lifeline. So I said, I feel a child can only go and tell to its parent, or to a friend can only go and tell its friend that, it is hungry. So I'm hungry, I just don't know what to do. And then suddenly I hear a knock in the door, and I just go to open, and then I see my the place where I'm staying, the tenant of the house comes, and he gives me some piping hot rice and some vadas, and says he has done some puja at his home, and that is the reason he is giving. So then I sit, and then I have it. I'm very happy that Baba has given it to me. And then at that time I didn't ask this man what was it, or what was the puja, or whatever it was. I didn't ask him. I was just happy that the food has come. So then what I do is, I just sit down. I thank Baba, that I tell him, I know if I come and tell you, then you will give me the food. So I sit down to eat, and then after eating in the evening, I ask him, Uncle, what was the puja that you did in your house? And he says, what puja? I have not done any puja. So now I understood that I cannot ask him the next question, that who did you come and give the food, because I know what answer he will give, or what type of a thought process he will have, that this lady has gone mad, and that is why she's asking me such stupid questions. So now let's see. So that's how it is. Have undeterred faith in him, and he is going to give you whatever you ask him. So let's see what are the cards saying today. Let's pull out a few cards. Mask. See, recognize the reality behind us. Maybe he's trying to say that, you should have recognized me when I came that day. And but this card can also be an indication or a warning for you people, that there is someone who's trying to harm you. So you need to recognize the real faces, and you need to safeguard yourself, or be aware of the people around you and how they might harm you in future. But for me, maybe he's telling me that, that day you should have recognized that it is me who has come to give you the food. Okay, so jokes apart, let's see. I feel like pulling the first card. Beautiful card, bountifulness. Baba always ensures that you have what you need. Keep the faith. Now, that is one reason why I always, in all my readings, say that, I love doing cards, because cards always answer or tell what runs in the mind. Because I was just talking about food today, and Baba has said, have the faith. So I will say only one thing. Baba always ensures that you have what you need. It is not only in food here, though the picture shows food. Whatever you want in life, Baba knows when to give and how to give, and I'm sure He's going to give you. Today, if possible, sit in front of Him and share your worries to Him, and I'm sure He's going to clear your worries. Even if it is health related, if it is emotions related, whatever is the issue, just speak to Him, and I'm 100% sure you will get the answer. But speak to Him with faith, speak to Him with love. Also, if possible, if you have Sai Satcharitra, read the Sai Satcharitra, any one chapter, and I'm sure your answers are going to be there. So have a beautiful and a blessed Baba day. Om Sai Ram to all of you.